power. That's it, we've had enough. Give back what is ours. It was the year 1840, the year of your Lord, when more and more of your people rode up onto our shore. We are a kind people, some welcomed you with open arms. You used your navigation, all we used was the stars to get here to this homeland that we love. You brought your God, but we already had Rangi up above us and Pop up below. We always prayed to their sons. When it came to it, our inventory was no match for your guns. We had our gun, but to mana to defend us. But by then we already knew what your agenda was. So give back our land, or we should make a stand. Yeah, you promised all our people we could live hand in hand. All you did was take our land with your royal power. That's it, we've had enough. Give back what is ours.
So slowly but surely we were losing our land. We would doubt our cards, but it always seemed like you had the best hand. You stole our homeland, Tonga, even now for sure. Remember what we signed that day, cause we remember for sure. We own all the rights to the land that you stole. There are some cases where it was legitimately sold, but most was taken, not given. Now we fight to get it back, make all our family proud. We hold all our tipuna on our backs. You had your documents and we signed. You're supposed to treat us equal, but all you have been doing is deceiving all our people. So just
give back our land, or we should make a stand. Yeah, promised all our people we could live hand in hand. All you did was take our land with your royal power. That's it, we've had enough. Give back what is ours.